together. We have 4 raised to power x plus 4 raised to power x plus 4 raised to power x equals to 24. And we have to solve for the values of x in this question, okay? And the first thing we can do here is to say, when you're adding this, you factor out. So we have 4 raised to power x into 1 plus 1 plus 1 to be equal to 24. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So we have 3 multiplied by 4 raised to power x to be equal to 24. Now 3 can cancel 3 here, and 3 can go into 24 to give us 8. So we have that 4 raised to power x is equal to 8. Alright? Now, moving on from here, we can say that 4 raised to power x is something as 2 squared raised to the power of x. And 8 is something as 2 raised to the power of 3. When you have something like this, when you have a raised to the power m raised to the power of n, it's equal to a raised to the power m multiplied by n. Applying this law here, you're going to have that this becomes 2 raised to the power 2x to be equal to 2 raised to the power 3. Observing closely, you can see that the bases are the same, so the powers are equal. So we have that 2 raised to the power x is equal to 3, okay? Hence, our x here will be equal to 3 divided by 2, which is 3 over 2, okay? So this becomes the final answer to this question.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel. So please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.